Hey guys, this is Pollo. Coo, 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 coo. Hey, so I removed the screws for the airbox, and I found that we have a filter without screws. And actually, this filter was not sealing the airbox, and we have, believe it or not, maybe the person that had this bike before was some sort of savage, because then we have, I don't know if you can see, we have like small fine sand on both sides of the airbox, on this side and on this side. No screws to hold the filter, so was not sealing well. So we have a dirty side on this side, on the left side, on the right side is like having no filter at all. So I'm gonna remove the airbox, but before that I'm going to do a short experiment to see if I can start the bike to rule out. Let's try a little bit of this starting fluid on each one of the holes. You hear that? So that means that I have spark. Somehow, if I put fuel, oh, now I don't have any of this, huh? So if I put fuel, this bike should start. Let's try. So that means that we have spark. And this means that maybe we have a healthy engine with compression. So we have to put some more fuel. I'm running out of this, so I will have to get some more fuel. But we know that we hear the engine, so we have spark. So that means that we can, we made an assessment, and we understand now that we have a spark and we need fuel. So that means that I will clean the fuel system. I'm gonna remove the fuel pump. I'm gonna put a new filter, a new fuel filter. Clean the injectors, the 8 injectors, 4 on top and 4 over here, that are just underneath of the tank. And I'm going to try to get her running this afternoon. So hey, this is Pollo. Thank you for watching. See you soon.